In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Klarna to a bank account, how to get cash from Klarna, 5 minutes. If you've got money sitting in your Klarna balance and you'd rather have it in your bank, I'll walk you through the exact flow on the web so you can move it safely and predictably. Before we start, make sure your Klarna account is verified and that you have an eligible bank account ready. Use a secure, up-to-date browser. Open your browser and sign into your Klarna account. You can go straight to the wallet page, complete any security checks, and confirm you're on Klarna's official site before entering credentials. Once you're in, go to the wallet section. This is where Klarna shows your payment methods, balances, and activity. If wallet isn't visible, open the main menu and select it. Wait a moment for the page to load. Balances may appear after a quick refresh. Select Klarna balance to see how much is available. Funds from recent refunds or pending activity may not be transferable yet, so the amount you can move could be lower than the headline balance. Before moving money, check any notes about minimums, limits, or country eligibility. Klarna may ask for a quick identity check. Follow the prompts and keep your phone nearby for codes. Choose transfer. If you've cashed out before, pick a saved bank account and confirm the details. If it's your first time, connect a bank. You might be asked to link through your bank's secure login or verify ownership. Ensure the bank name matches your Klarna profile, choose the right account type, and double check any numbers. Some banks support instant delivery for a small fee. Others use standard ACH, which is slower but free. If speed options appear, pick what fits your needs. Always confirm the destination nickname and last digits to avoid misdirected funds. Enter the amount, review any limits or fees shown on screen, and confirm. Transfers can post quickly, but depending on your bank and the day of the week, it may take 1 to 3 business days. Weekends and holidays can add extra time. To monitor progress, return to wallet and view the transfer status. If something looks stuck, refresh, recheck your bank link, and contact Klarna support through help if needed. And that's the full process for moving money from your Klarna balance to your bank safely and confidently.